Struggling to move your WhatsApp chats to a new phone? Yeah, honestly, it sounds complicated, but it's actually super simple. Today, I'm going to show you the fastest way to move all your messages, photos, and videos to your new Android phone without any stress. So first, grab your old phone and open WhatsApp. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, go into Settings, then tap on Chats. From here, look for Transfer Chats and tap on it. Go ahead and hit Start, and you'll see a QR code scanner pop up on your screen. Next, pick up your new phone, install WhatsApp, open it, and verify your phone number using the same number as before. Once that's done, a QR code will appear on the new phone screen. Now, just scan that QR code using your old phone, and that's basically it. After scanning, make sure both phones stay unlocked and on the same screen. You'll see the transfer start automatically, and this method is way faster than the old Google Drive backup. Once it finishes, your chats will show up instantly on your new phone, just like before. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.